Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Ali, and today we're diving into a topic that's essential for personal growth and success, building resilience and bouncing back from setbacks. Life is filled with challenges, obstacles, and setbacks. It's not a matter of if, but when we encounter them. Resilience is the ability to adapt and bounce back when life throws curveballs our way. In this video, we'll explore what resilience is, why it's crucial, and provide you with practical strategies to enhance your resilience and overcome life's setbacks. What is resilience? So, what exactly is resilience? Resilience is the capacity to withstand, recover from, and adapt to adversity and life's challenges. It's the ability to face setbacks, stress, and adversity without falling apart. Resilient individuals maintain their emotional and mental well-being despite the storms of life. The importance of resilience. Resilience is a fundamental life skill for several reasons. Mental health. Resilience helps protect against mental health issues like anxiety and depression. It allows individuals to cope with stress more effectively. Improved problem solving. Resilient people tend to be better problem solvers. They view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. Emotional stability. Resilience aids in regulating emotions. It helps you maintain emotional stability during tough times. Enhanced relationships. Resilient individuals tend to have healthier relationships. They can bounce back from conflicts and setbacks, making them more reliable and adaptable partners and friends. Building resilience. Now, let's get to the exciting part: how to build resilience. Resilience is not a fixed trait. It can be cultivated and strengthened over time. Here are some strategies to help you develop your resilience. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Shift your perspective to view setbacks as stepping stones, not roadblocks. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable goals to avoid setting yourself up for constant disappointment. Seek social support. Connect with friends, family, or support groups. Sharing your struggles and seeking help can make you feel less alone in your journey. Self-care. Prioritize self-care by maintaining a healthy lifestyle, getting enough sleep, and managing stress through relaxation techniques like mindfulness or meditation. Acceptance. Acknowledge your emotions and the reality of the situation. Accepting your feelings is the first step towards healing. Resilience through adversity. Building. Resilience often occurs through challenging experiences. Let's discuss how to navigate adversity effectively. Problem solving. When faced with a setback, identify the problem and brainstorm potential solutions. Take small, manageable steps toward resolving the issue. Positive self-talk. Monitor your internal dialogue. Replace self-criticism with self-compassion and optimism. Learn from failure. Instead of dwelling on failure, focus on the lessons it offers. Analyze what went wrong and use that knowledge to improve in the future. Adaptability. Be open to change. Life rarely goes as planned, so the ability to adapt is crucial in building resilience. Resilience and stress management. Resilience and stress management go hand in hand. To build resilience effectively, you must learn to manage stress. Stress reduction. Techniques. Incorporate stress reduction techniques into your daily routine, such as deep breathing, exercise, or creative outlets like art and music. Time management. Organize your tasks and responsibilities to reduce unnecessary stress. Set priorities and delegate when possible. Seek professional help. If stress becomes overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. Therapists and counselors can provide valuable tools and strategies. Overcoming common obstacles. As you work on building your resilience, you might encounter some common obstacles. Let's address a few. Negative thought patterns. Challenge negative thought patterns and replace them with more positive and constructive thinking. Procrastination. Avoiding problems can weaken your resilience. Tackle challenges head-on instead of procrastinating. Fear of failure. Understand that failure is a natural part of life. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Impatience. Building resilience takes time. Be patient with yourself as you work on strengthening this valuable skill. Real-life examples. To inspire and illustrate the power of resilience, here are a few real-life examples of individuals who bounced back from adversity. Walt Disney. Walt Disney faced numerous setbacks and rejections before creating the iconic Disney brand. His perseverance and resilience ultimately led to his success. J.K. Rowling. The author of the Harry Potter series faced personal and professional challenges, but used her experiences to fuel her writing and achieved remarkable success. Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela endured 27 years in prison, yet he emerged with a commitment to reconciliation and became the president of South Africa. Maintaining resilience. Building. Resilience is an ongoing process. To maintain your resilience, regularly assess. Periodically evaluate your resilience and make necessary adjustments to your strategies. Stay connected. Continue to seek support from friends and loved ones, and be there for them in return. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. It reinforces your belief in your abilities. Self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially during challenging times. Resilience in daily life. Let's talk about how to apply resilience in your daily life. Here are a few practical tips: mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help you stay centered and calm during stressful situations. It allows you to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Set realistic expectations. High expectations can lead to disappointment. Setting realistic expectations for yourself and others can help reduce stress and build resilience. Learn to say no. Overcommitting can be a significant source of stress. Learning to say no when you're stretched too thin is an essential part of resilience. Healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition, regular exercise, and adequate sleep contribute to physical and mental well-being, making it easier to cope with adversity. Building resilience in children. Resilience is not just for adults. It's a skill that can be instilled in children too. Here are some strategies for helping children build resilience. Encourage problem solving. Teach children how to solve problems and make decisions on their own. This empowers them to handle adversity. Praise effort, not outcomes. Focus on recognizing and praising a child's effort rather than their achievements. This fosters a growth mindset and resilience. Provide emotional support. Create an environment where children feel safe expressing their feelings and emotions. This helps them learn to cope with and manage their emotions. Teach adaptability. Show children that change is a part of life and help them adapt to new circumstances and challenges. Resources for building resilience. There are numerous resources available to help you build resilience. Here are a few recommendations. Books. Check out books like The Resilience Factor by Karen Ravitch and Andrew Schatt, or Grit, The Power of Passion and Perseverance by Angela Duckworth for valuable insights. Online courses. Many platforms offer online courses on resilience and stress management. Websites like Coursera, edX, and Udemy provide a wide range of options. Support groups. Joining local or online support groups can be a great way to connect with others who are on a similar journey to building resilience. Therapy and counseling. If you're struggling with developing resilience or managing stress, don't hesitate to seek help from a therapist or counselor. Final thoughts. In our journey through life, We will undoubtedly face setbacks, challenges, and adversity. But by developing resilience, we can not only survive these difficult times, but thrive and grow stronger because of them. It's a journey that's worth embarking on, and I hope the strategies and examples shared in this video will guide you on your path to becoming a more resilient and empowered individual. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, no matter what life throws at you, you have the power to bounce back and rise above. Stay resilient, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.